Okay, what I have here is a phone set up in the standard way with a bunch of icons and a phone with a very simple screen. So if you know someone who needs an easy way to use their smartphone, what I've done here is on this screen I've got calling, both audio and video. I got texting messages for a callback. I got weather, and of course the camera and the gallery. On this page, I've got some items to call the Bluetooth buttons. So how this is all done, it's a very simple setup again. These are done with widgets and with Google action blocks. So let's give it a test here. Let's try text.
Sending your message to Fran.
And you can see it's received there. Let me do a phone call is pretty easy. Let's try video chat.
Making a call to Fran on Duo.
I'll block the number there. And you can see it's received. And there we are. We're connecting. Maybe my Wi-Fi is a little slow here. That's disappointing. There it is. Okay. Very good. Just hang up. And now back to home screen. Simple. You can do all those things. And let's try let's say you can't find things. Oh, I also got a flashlight on there. You see that? So let's just, this one's purse. Let's just try that. And there we go. And there it is. So that's it. Again, simple home screen with calling, text, and video calls, finders, and everything's ready to go. Again, just with widgets and Google action blocks, and of course, if I didn't mention it's for Android phones only.